So in today's class, I'm going to cover multiple choice and we are starting with reading. In reading, you will have these two types of questions. Multiple choice, choose single answer. Multiple choice, choose multiple answer. Really understand the reading part only. So what happens with the reading? You have the overall time of reading, okay? So it could be 32 to 41 minutes. And you have to attempt all these tasks within that time duration. Reading, people usually face problem with time management. Okay, now starting with multiple choice to single answer. This is again a reading section, and here what is done, you are actually given multiple options. Generally you are always given four options and you have to select one of them. Okay, you have to select the correct response. Only one response is correct, and this is the screen view. The text that you get is hardly 100 to 110 words only. Now look over here, this is showing the time. Abhi 38 minutes bache hain. So it means every question changes, the time will also change. And how many questions you have in total? 18. And right now you're on the first question. So it says 1 of 18 and then the left time. So as you finish it, please press the next button. Do not take lot of time in answering the questions. So the task is read the passage and select the correct option. Only one response is correct. Okay. In single answer, only one response is correct. You have a text which is 100 words long. You easily get 2 to 3. Yes, 2 to 3 multiple choice to single answer questions. It only tests your reading. It is not integrated scoring. It is just your reading scoring. So आप इसमें रीडिंग पढ़ रहे हैं और इसी रीडिंग का ही आपको स्कोर मिलेगा. देयर इज नथिंग लाइक लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, राइटिंग में किसी चीज का स्कोर मिलेगा. यू आर ओनली स्कोर्ड ऑन रीडिंग हियर. Scoring is very simple actually. If you give the right answer, you get the marks. If you do not give the right answer, you do not get the marks. So you get 1 or you get 0. Now, what are the strategies? Now, this is important to understand कि इसको करना कैसे है. Okay, I have actually listed down the steps itself. So the first step is read the question first. Only the question I am telling you. Okay, read the question first and mark keywords in the question. Mark, obviously, you cannot mark it there, but you can at least identify the keyword now. Okay, so identify the keyword in the question without, yes, without looking at the options. Do not even read the options. पहले सिर्फ keywords को देखें, ठीक है? Then skim through the text. Skim का मतलब होता है you are reading the text, but you are not spending lot of time in understanding each and every line. You are going through the text to find, to identify the main idea and understand what the passage is about. Okay, but you have the keyword also in your mind, so you're understanding the passage. Keep the keyword back of your mind, and then what happened, identify the same keywords. जो keyword आपने question में देखा था, same keyword या फिर उसका synonym or their synonyms in the passage. So passage जब आप पढ़ रहे हैं but not taking time, you're trying to skim it, you're doing a quick reading to have a gist of the passage. So while you're going through the passage, look for the keyword जो keyword आपने question में देखा, ठीक है? या तो keyword होगा या उसका synonym होगा. And then wherever you have found that keyword, once you find the keyword, you have found your answer. अब जहां पे भी कीवर्ड मिला है ना, उस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट को आप पढ़ें और थॉरोली पढ़ें टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. Now look at the options. Then you will be able to find the correct answer. Correct answer होगा कैसे? See, either you will have the opposite. कि पैसेज में ये लिखा है लेकिन ऑप्शन में अपोजिट है उसका, so it means it is an incorrect option. पैसेज में ये लिखा है और उसका सिनोनिम सेम चीज ही पैराफ्रेज करके आपको ऑप्शंस में दे दी गई है, so it has the same meaning. Obviously that means that is the correct answer. और पैसेज में कुछ है और ऑप्शंस में आपको कुछ और दिया है जो पैसेज में मेंशन ही नहीं है, it means it is not mentioned. So there are three ways where you can find the correct answer. Either it will be opposite, or it will be same, or it is not mentioned. Now please look at this point. Remember, the correct option is a paraphrase of the sentence. Okay, correct option is a paraphrase of the sentence in which keywords appear. Quickly go through all these points. If you want to write it down somewhere, you can actually write it down also, or you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot also. But let me tell you one more thing, Megha and Nancy. It's not always that, you know, you get to have to work on the keywords. Sometimes you also get a question wherein you have to give the summary of the you know, the text. They will ask you what is the writer talking about. In that case, we have to understand the passage also. But gradually, when you start doing it, you will be able to crack it. So let's look at the example now. Megha, have you taken the screenshot? I'm going to move it. Because while you are doing it, I am sharing an example. So while you will be solving it, you can go through this strategies. Okay. So I'm putting a timer of 2 minutes in my mobile. I think 2 minutes are fine. Okay, 2 minutes 30 seconds in my mobile. And then please do this. Start. Look for the keywords in the question. Same keyword आपको passage में ढूंढना है. जहाँ पे भी keyword मिलता है, try to read that. And after reading, go to the options. Option से compare करें कि passage में क्या है और option में क्या है. या तो उसका opposite होगा या फिर same होगा या फिर paraphrase भी हो सकता है. Same का मतलब same information आपको किसी और form में दी गई है, or it could be not mentioned. So your time has started. Okay. So actually 2 minutes 30 seconds I put the timer. So I'll be actually just going through it and understand how to solve it. Why does Christ Church Cathedral, okay? So why does Christ Church Cathedral crock? So this becomes actually your keyword different. It has a different time then British churches. Okay, so these are your keywords and this is the main thing asked in the question. So Christ Church Cathedral in Oxford. Okay, so it is giving you the location also. Is always 5 minutes later than British Standard Time. So it is telling yes, it is late. Okay, now the question was why it is different, why it is late than the British watches. The explanation for this lies in the conservative nature of the cathedral's clergy. It was only when the railways arrived in the middle of the 19th century that it became important for clocks throughout the country to be synchronized. Synchronized means after the railways came in the 19th century, so all the clocks in the world or in the country should have same time. However difficult this might be. So they're saying even if it is difficult, but all the clocks in Britain should have the same time. When the cathedral again your keyword, okay, was asked to come into line, means was asked to follow the same thing. The clergy discussed the request but decided that this was an idea that needed to prove its worth. The, the clergy was telling that he is not still sure of that all the watches should align, and they still need to test why it should, why this should be implemented before being adopted. So prove the worth before being adopted. That's the main reason actually. Oxford likes to be different from other places. ऐसी कोई बात हुई है? No, it was not discussed. There was nothing like they want to be different. So wrong option. It was initially a protest against the coming of the railway. There was no thought. Railway की बात हुई है कि ठीक है railway start हुआ था, but there is nothing mentioned that there was a protest against the railway. Wrong. Cathedral staff were reluctant to act too quickly. Cathedral staff is clergy, and they were reluctant, means they were not too accepting this, to act too quickly. So they were saying that it's too quick to, adopt this, and let's wait and watch. Okay. It was very difficult to alter. Difficulty की तो कोई बात ही नहीं हुई कि that it is difficult. So ideally the right answer is C, because C में कह रहे हैं cathedral staff were reluctant to act too quickly, और last में भी यही कह रहे हैं they need to prove its worth before being adopted. Okay. Then cathedral staff were reluctant to act too quickly. C is the right answer. Why? Conservative nature. Okay, yes, there is a conservative का मतलब वो होता है जो लोग बहुत ही they want to be in themselves, they do not want to adopt जो changes होते हैं. In the conservative nature, yes, this is also too good क्योंकि वो change नहीं होना चाहते थे. And then an idea that would need to prove its worth. Clear, Megha and Nancy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now moving on to the next example. Okay, now as I told you earlier, sometimes you will also get single answer जहाँ पे writer का conclusion पूछा जाता है, और उस writer के conclusion की जब बात होती है, ideally आपको पूरा text पहले पढ़ना पड़ेगा, and then just try to go through it. You don't have to really spend lot of time in understanding, and then you have to select a single answer. Again, I'm giving you a time of 2 minutes now. Okay, I'm putting a timer of 2 minutes, so I want both of you to go through this and do it. Okay, done. Megha, according to you, what is the right answer?
Ma'am, D.
D. और D ऐसा क्यों लगा आपको?
Ma'am, according to keyword,
टेल मी द लाइन, कौन सी लाइन आपको लगता है कि डी सही आंसर है? थर्ड लाइन, थर्ड में क्या है? ऑल दो ज़ेब्रास, दिस वन?
नहीं मैम, लास्ट थर्ड लाइन.
Last third. It would undoubtedly be possible to breed zebras that would ride well. Okay, but मीन्स इसमें बात हो रही है कि हम ऐसे जेब्रास बना सकते हैं जो एक्चुअली हेल्प करें, दैट वुड राइड वेल. बट, लेकिन यहाँ पे बट आ गया, ठीक है. बट विद द अराइवल ऑफ इंटरनल कंबशन इंजन, मतलब कि कार्स, देयर हैज नॉट बीन मच इंसेंटिव टू डू सो. मतलब कि अब जब कार्स आ गई, सो पीपल वर एक्चुअली डिडंट वांट टू डू दिस, या इंसेंटिव का मतलब उनको इतना पुश नहीं लगा कि ठीक है अब हमें जरूरत है ऐसा करने की. नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू योर ऑप्शन. मोटराइज्ड व्हीकल्स आर ग्रेजुअली रिड्यूसिंग द नंबर्स. यहाँ पे रिड्यूसिंग की बात हुई है मेघा?
मैम, यस मैम.
हुई है रिड्यूसिंग की बात?
वहां पे नहीं मैम.
तो फिर ये ऑप्शन नहीं है. ओके, नैन्सी. नैन्सी,
Ma'am,
according to you, which is the right
second.
option?
Ma'am, second.
Second. Okay, second she is telling people have little motivation to develop a zebra that could be written. Okay, मेघा आप एग्री करते हो ये हो सकता है ऑप्शन? Actually.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, do you think this is the right option? Now look at the answer. This is the right option. Why this is the right option? There has not been much incentive. Incentive क्या होता है कि push, you know, ज़्यादा इतना मजा नहीं आ रहा, हम motivate नहीं है. So people have little motivation to develop a zebra that could be ridden. It would undoubtedly be possible to breed a zebra that would ride in well. Possible हो सकता था, but there has not been much incentive. जो ये little motivation है, इसको लिंक करा गया है इंसेंटिव के साथ कि लोग इतना ज्यादा पुशअप नहीं थे या उनको इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा था. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
मेघा, आर यू क्लियर?
Yes ma'am.
Very good. One more example to